Hi everyone, I'm Alif.
And I'm Zakwan.
Okay, today we're sitting down to bust some of the biggest myths you ever heard about SOLIDWORKS Visualize.
There's a lot of talk out there about what this software can and cannot do. So we are here to set the record straight with a quick game of true and false.
Okay, you guys ready? Let's get into the first one. Okay, round 1. I hear this one in the comments all the times. Okay, true or false? SOLIDWORKS Visualize only works if you're a native SOLIDWORKS CAD users.
That is actually a hard false, guys. It's a common misconception because of the name. But Visualize is actually a universal rendering powerhouse.
Okay, second round. True or false? Photorealistic rendering take hours and you need a liquid cooled supercomputer to survive. Is that correct?
That is a massive false, guys. First, it's a hardware agnostic. Means that it will run on your CPU or GPU. But the secret sauce is the AI denoiser.
Oh, so is that the one with the brain icon in the viewport, Zakwan?
That is correct, Alif. It uses machine learning to clean up the noise out of frame instantly. You are not waiting for thousands of passes anymore, guys. You can get a production-ready image in minutes or even seconds if you are using the fast mode.
Okay, so for the last myth, true or false? Ray tracing is too heavy to be done live during a presentation. You have to use accurate preview mode. Is that correct, Zakwan?
False! This is where Power Tools comes in. It's what we call as the holy grail of visualization.
Sounds like a video game cheat code.
It feels like one. It offloads the ray tracing calculation to a server or a cluster and streams it back to your laptop. You can sit in a boardroom with a thin or light laptop and orbit a fully ray traced model in real time. No lag, no noise, just pure quality.
So myths officially debunked. Visualize is faster, more open, and a lot more clever than the rumors suggest. And that's a wrap! See? Most of those barriers people talk about are just myths keeping you from making a great content.
Exactly, everyone. Whether you're a CAD expert out there or someone who wants a pretty final result like me, Visualize is a lot more accessible than people think.
So, if you guys out there has a specific question for me or Zakwan or another myth you want us to debunk in the next video, drop in the comment below.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more technical tips and tricks.
Thanks for watching. I'm Alif.
And I'm Zakwan.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye!